makuan magaling kanta mubo lang siya. Isod ba niya? Hello, good morning, Vicky Ulungan from Marikina. Tama ba? It wasn't my design. People everywhere thinking something better than I guess. Udi, my family, Brandiris. Cause I liked it when I was there. You know this, you know you didn't find me. You didn't find me. Does anyone care? And happiness was when I was young and we didn't give a damn. Cause we were raised to see life as fun. We take it if we can. My mother, she hold me when I was there. My father, he liked me, and he liked me. Does anyone care? 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 Salamat sa class, Ricky, and naman sa Lumit. Thank you. Alam mo, Mama Sal, parang nangyari na tayo ano. May sinabi ka tapos ano. Ito yung pinagtas. Paano nangyari? Salamat, Ricky. Oh, dito my family, grandparents. We didn't give a damn. When I was there, does anyone care? Sorry. Nag-follow na yung cellphone niya. Thank you guys. Lubat siya. When I was there, does anyone care? Sorry. Nag-follow na yung cellphone niya. Thank you guys. Oo, na-okay TikTok pero wala na. Delete na ko ang akong app. Labad ng TikTok man. Dinagay ko magkuhan sa akong Facebook. Wala kay ko magkuhan. We did it. My mother, my father, she hold me. She hold me. Does anyone care? Ricky, ninja ba tong gamit mo? Ninja lang yan, Ma'am Adsal. Yung ginamit din na ni Ricky. Ninja. Yung ano niya, yung main, yung naka-hoodie siya na nakatalikod. Yung main niya. Salamat, Ricky, ha?